name is Bill Carter, and I'm a native here in Raleigh, North Carolina. I got started shooting basically really after COVID. During the COVID kind of drove me outside and drove me into the woods. I'm an action shooter, so I really love to shoot birds. I love to shoot eagles and anything that's moving fast. And again, I like to shoot stuff with a lot of color in it. Lake Lynn is a really great place for migrating birds. I've met a lot of birders. I'm not a birder, I'm strictly a photographer, so I love to meet people who know the birds and they educate me a lot on that. So I've basically learned this area from hanging around a lot of birders, and it's an excellent location for a variety of birds. This area is super accessible. Basically, it has great access, great parking. The boardwalk, they're redoing it now, so it's a really great area. Even bringing kids out here riding bicycles, it's just a great area to come to. Here, I love to see the hawks out here. They're always very easy to see, and I love shooting the hawks out here. The boardwalks are really great. They migrate all through the wetlands. They really give you access to all the closeness of the birds so that you can just get in one spot on the boardwalk and just actually see tons of birds in that one area, and you don't really have to walk long distances. And the way they're designed, they give you a variety of stuff to shoot. It's definitely better in the mornings to come here and shoot. You have the walkers, but it's good because the walkers will stop and even ask you, what are you looking at? And I've seen this, so they can tell you a lot of good stuff. So it's a great migration and a great area to meet all people.